These are the scenes in Montego Bay, just outside the venue for the JLP Mass Rally.
JLP, good for you.
The JLP Labour Rights turned Montego Bay into a scene of green. It was very exciting and it was like a party-like atmosphere. From early in the evening, thousands of persons poured into the streets. Green shirts, green flag, motorcades and music trucks. Montego Bay became the heartbeat of the JLP movement. And here we are heading towards the Sam Shop Square. That's where the rally will be held.
Here is Master Mark now, with a wild left hook taken and the glamour by the champion, and Jamaica Labour now. One to the right with Cage, one to the left eye, one to the right eye, one to the nose, one to the mouth. Let's show up, because we can warm up enough. Welcome to Jamaica, welcome for the Prime Minister stage, where we have 500 lining up there in the starting gate. Number 1 JLP, this brother Sabres. Sir Alexander Mastamanti, JLP. This one looks a picture going down the water starting gate. It's chained and ride by Jamaica Labour. In the colors of the green and white is owned by all Labour Rights of Jamaica. This is a freedom favorite in the betting. They're looking for a third win in the Prime Minister's Day, Wednesday, September 3rd. Number 2 PNP. This will be written by Master Mark. And this one is coming from the number 2 position in the colors of the orange and black. And remember, Master Mark will ride this one. Number 3 is Independent. Independent is trained and ride by Bilal Johnson. Number 4 is Republican. Seconds. independence stand. Republican is vote. Or right or left. This colonist is coming in fifth and last. Wait there. Let me tell you now. I own them fifth colonist. Some of them there right now. You see the people them. But when Labour right come here, then we are green shirt come here. And when Mass and Man come here, then we are the orange shirt. Show on. Hold on there. Hold on. Then I will answer the one question. Yes, I want question to answer them before I get going. The People's National Party, right? So me and them they're going to be silent until they go and score. You see, whenever time they go and score, me want some PMP, but when me need to come, we see them go cross the Caribbean Sea. I put them in the government. Me want, when they go and score, I want to say, show up, they'll be here. This football match is between the Jamaica Labour Party, playing the customary green and white color. The young man, Dr. Andrew Michael Rollins, is the captain of the Jamaica Labour Party team. Left side, here's the Jamaica Labour Party, still coming forward in their numbers now. Shot to a goal and clear the way. Following the pass of the play on the ball, goes into tackle. And a goal to be taken by the Jamaica Labour Party. Yes, second down. The goal not scoring. Yeah, show up. Here is a throw now. Taken quickly by Del right jump inside. To the lady to the tallness. Tallness the ball in Malawi.